Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is simple and unique tutorials. So today, I'm going to show you how to set a password in your computer. Easy steps. Here we go. Step 1. Go to the search menu and type settings. You will see several options there. Step 2. Click on Accounts, and again you will see a few options. There is Your Info, Email and Accounts, and most importantly for this tutorial, the option of Sign-in Options. So go ahead and click it. Step 3. Under Sign-in Options you find a number of options also. Ignore all of them but Password, so click on Password. Step 4. Click on Add. Then type the password of your choice. Remember, your password is secret. Type it again to confirm. Then put your password hint. Step 5. Click Next. Then click Finish. There you go. So that's how you set a password in your computer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like and share the video. See you next time guys, and God bless you. Bye.